Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to break down a fun tap step and it's called the Cincinnati.
So grab your tap shoes and let's go.
Alright guys, we're going to start off slow. So to start your Cincinnati, you're going to spank your foot backwards. Spank, heel, jump, heel, step. And try the other foot. You go, spank, heel, jump, heel, step. Again, spank, heel, jump. Good. Let's try that just a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Spank, heel, jump, heel, step. Spank, heel, jump, heel, step. Good. One more time. That same pace. Again. 6, 7, 8. Speed it up even more. All right, guys, and one last thing. Your Cincinnati is always going to start with a spank on that and count. All right, guys, hope you found this tutorial helpful today. Make sure you keep practicing so that you can speed it up.
Also, subscribe to our page to see more breakdowns just like this one.